Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video we are going to add our first task together in Airtable. I'm going to show you when you're gonna add a task, how it looks like, what you can get here, what kind of columns you can add to your task. So this is going to be an introduction. If you're looking for a full tutorial how you can use an Airtable, I made a tutorial on it. So you can write just Airtable business guide on YouTube and you should find it there. Now I'm going to write here, let's say when I have the task, I can write YouTube marketing video. Here when I have it, what you can do, you can mark it as selected, then you can expand the record by pressing also space. Now in the moment when you're gonna open the record, what you can find here, you can simply add a note, assignee, status, and date. These are all the fields that you can actually find here in like the columns. So this is literally the same. Then you can simply add a new field to the table, and in the moment when you're gonna add a field to the table, there's the same thing. Like let's say an email, right? Field 6, email. And as you can see, we're going to find the email, same as we created it in our YouTube marketing video. So here you got it, and this is how you can do it. So I'm going to like rename it like this. Then on the right side, you would always find activities. You can have also click on top right and have a like send a record. You can duplicate the record, print the record, delete the record. You can copy the URL if you want to send it to someone, or you can simply hide comments and also revision history. So this is, I would definitely hide it if you're working like alone and you don't actually need to have a comments and revision history. Of course, on activity, on the bottom right, you can easily add a comment and write here, hi there. This is a task. So people can comment on the task. And you can easily click here and you can delete the comment. So this is pretty much it, how you can do it and how it works. You can customize the field type if it's going to be a single line text, or change that. So that's something you can do. And when you have it and when you're gonna fill it out, the next thing you can do is to start adding columns. So I'm just going to open this. I can go on the right side, move here, click plus, and you can easily add a task or like columns directly. Let's say I can add a currency, and field name it's going to be expenses. So let's say create a field. I can then add a simple, let's say 500, and it's going to see the $500. So this is how you can do it. And here I'm going to show you how you can add a subtask. Like there are two ways how you can do it. I'm going to show you one of them. So let's say that you could have a note here, and I can add a simple, for the note, I can add a subtask. So I can click here, rename the field, name it subtask. And here I can simply click here, customize field type, formatting option, include checklist, hyperlinks, headers, code, blocks, and more. So you would choose it as, let's say, like this, and long text. Okay, then you click like save. And you can have it like this. And then you can simply start writing here, right? And you can have, let's say it's going to be code block, or I can simply have a checklist here, and I can have subtask 1, subtask 2, subtask 3. So I can always open it and find the subtasks. When I'm going to make it bigger, like this, I can change the row and height to medium, and voila. So open it, and I can easily click finished. So this is how you can simply add a subtask directly to this. So this is how we can do it, and this is how we can also add a subtask, which is pretty perfect. Now what you can do next is to simply go plus here on the right side and add a phone number, duration. Let's say I can add a duration here, create a field, and again I can add a 1 hour 25 minutes, right? So that's another thing what you can do. I can click plus here and again add a date or a phone number. Create a field. So, and that's pretty much it, right? What you can do here. So this is pretty much how you can add a task. Then you can simply hide the fields. You can filter it, add a conditioning. You can group it by status. You can sort it out, a name, subtask, assignee. Then you're gonna have a color, what it means to have a status. So let's say I'm going to have a status of in progress and to do. And when I'm going to group it by status, it's going to create me a really great way of project management that I can have. And that's pretty much it. So if you can have any questions, guys, let me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. I created also a tutorial on how you can easily use the columns and what kind of columns you can find here. So definitely check that out. I really think that it's going to be okay. I need to link field. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya. This was a tutorial how you can add a task in Airtable or creating your first task in Airtable.